Hi guys, I just did this video and now we're gonna pop open Dark Side. We might do it the same way, but this time the girl that was doing it is videoing it and the guy was videoing from the last video is doing it. So just take a look at it first. It's actually squishier than the other. So let's pop it.
Alright.
Are you ready? He's gonna try it with the fork first. Try it with the fork first.
Don't work.
So throw it.
Oh.
Try again.
All
It's
right.
just rolling. Can you? Put it with force. More. Keep on doing it.
Man, this thing doesn't want to pop.
Here, let me try.
Watch out, watch out. I'm going to throw it up and then it's going to come back down. What the?
Rolling.
No, this thing doesn't want to blow up.
It doesn't.
Dare me?
Yes, I dare you.
I'm good. Yo, what is wrong with this balloon? Yo, I just sliced it. Didn't want to pop.
Just cut it. Still, that's a strong balloon. There's us.
It could pop any second.
Here, let me try.
Let's do it on the street.
Yeah,
All right.
you do it.
I already got a cut. As you see.